The Cry of Bahay Toro on August 24, 1896, according to General Santiago Alvarez. Introduction to Santiago Alvarez. Is the General Santiago Alvarez, a Capotanero and prominent Cavite warlord. Is son of Mariano Alvarez, President of Maguindanao Function. Relative of Gregorio de Jesus, wife of Andres Bonifacio. Not an eyewitness, his account is a second-hand version but still significant. The setting and the scenes. Sunday on August 23, 1896 at Barn Cabezang Melchoro Aquino in Sampalucan, barrio of Bahay Toro. There's around 500 Capoteneros gathered eager to support Andres Bonifacio and the revolution. The meeting begins at Monday on August 24, 1896. The number of Capitaneros about 1,000. Andres Bonifacio, or the Supremo, leads the meeting inside the big barn. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. In the cry of Bahay Toro, the meeting ends at 12 noon. Loud cries of, "Long live the sons of the country." In Tagalog, mabuhay ang mga anak ng bayan. Marked as one of the sparks of the Philippine Revolution. The significance version highlights the unity and the readiness of Capotaneros in Cavite, shows the strong leadership of Andres Bonifacio as the Supremo, reflect the spirits of nationalism and resistance against Spanish colonial rule. The summary and the reflection. Santiago Alvarez account complement other version of Cry of Pugad Lawin or the Cry of Bahay Toro. It adds perspective from Cavite's revolutionary leaders, although not an eyewitness, in reflect revolutionary fervor and collective action.